It's 10 o'clock na. Hello mga ka-char, mga ka-char. Woot woot, good news. Secondary teacher straight to residency visa na starting today, May 1st, 2024. All you need to do is to check Immigration New Zealand, look for straight to residence visa, and then you will search secondary school teacher. After that, all the things that you need, requirements would be posted there too. All you need to do is to do some reading. Payment is 4,290 New Zealand dollars. And of course, hindi doon at the end. You have to comply all their requirements katulad ng NBI, FBI if you are from the US, English language for the family or for you if you're by yourself. And this $4,290, it could include the whole family. And ano pa ba? Median wage should also be there. So I think when I tried Googling or searching about it, it should be 31.61 New Zealand dollars. Again,